What's up, guys? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. Got some bad news if you didn't already know. Here in the southeast, we lost a racing pioneer. Marty Ward was a 6-time Greenville Pickens Speedway champion. He passed away this past Saturday night at Anderson Motor Speedway during a race. Had a medical event, and he passed away the next morning. So me and Fred's headed up to Greenville, South Carolina, Travelers Rest, South Carolina, to pay our final respects to somebody that we thought very, very big of. Was a great character for racing. Would help anybody. So me and Fred's gonna head up 85 up there. While we're up there, we're gonna slide by Tyler's shop, see Bittersweet, let y'all see what's going on with her. But I got the clip off. Tyler's gonna be the one putting the other front clip on that we got. So give you a little update on that. But once Fred's ready, hop in. We'll be headed that way. There I was, thought I was the one ready, and you over here waiting on me.
Always.
I ain't gonna have that on them big jobs. Them small jobs. All right, let's get headed that way. Up north, 85 on 85. You clean up good. I hate that you had to clean up, but you clean up good when you got to. Got your hair parted nicely. You got your chewing gum. That old Pete's nasty chewing gum you like so much. All right, y'all move out the way. We coming in. Coming in. Get over here in the left lane. Grab a little bit of that 85 on 85. Do a little boogie. Throw it right up against the wall right here. We're like running inside line at Florence. Just missed the bump off turn 2. Fred, is the president in town?
Oh, shit.
God, at the cars down through there. 2 lanes.
They could have got off.
South Carolina got a lot of folks trying to get home. Conway Twitty must be having a concert. Well, me and Fred done about made it up here to the funeral home in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Not too far from a dirt track up here. They race on Friday nights up here at Travelers Rest Speedway. So we're going here and pay our condolences to the Ward family, and then we're going to ease on over to Tyler's shop over in Easley, South Carolina. Check out old Bittersweet, let you get a look at her while she's having surgery.
Brain surgery.
Brain surgery. I believe it more like limb surgery more so than brain. So I think the brain would be the motor.
They'll take the motor out.
A little engine that could. Hey, she's still doing good.
Yeah.
She's still trucking along. I think I can.
But we can get us a new one.
Get us another one. Get another clip put on there, and we'll go back and try and win races again.
Find us a 2018 602.
Yeah, that's right before all that stuff happened where they were blowing up left and right.
19s and 20s is the ones.
Right before COVID hit.
Yep. The ones that everybody was blowing up.
You need to burn Facebook Marketplace up.
I guess I have to.
Well, me and Fred leaving the funeral home now. We came by to pay our respects to the Ward family. A lot of racers here. So paying their final respects to Mr. Marty Ward. So we're gonna head on over to Easley, South Carolina now, over to Tyler's shop, and get you a look at Bittersweet. So a little quick 15-minute trip up the street, and we'll be there. Go through the cute little town of Travelers Rest on the way over to Easley. Fred, Mama Judy just called and said, what'd she say?
Somebody knocked
your mailbox off post. Who you done pissed off?
I don't know. I'll find out.
What you gonna do? Go knock her head off her shoulders? How you gonna get your mail?
I guess I'll have to tie a ratchet strap around it or something.
Put it on there. Out of all the people.
Let her go.
Out of all the people you done hollered at, somebody done found you now, knock your mailbox off post.
Yeah, well, ours might not be more than that. You know, she just looked out and saw that it was gone.
Somebody might be out there playing a little bit, what do they call it? Car mailbox or something like that?
Might have watched Dazed and Confused.
Yeah, and just went baseball mailbox.
Picked somebody's garbage can up, just went down through there and threw the hell ain't no telling.
Kids be kids, Fred.
Grown-ups be grown-ups, but it's a federal offense messing with a mailbox.
Painkiller is what it is.
Yeah. Don't be.
Me and Fred come zooming down the road, wasn't really sure where we was at. We rolled by old friend, stopped, give you a look. We went back racing again. That's where this is the last place we want to feature at, Fred.
It's the only place we want to feature.
Yeah. check out the old beer joint. Not sure exactly what's happening with the place. I'll get you a look at Greenville Picking Speedway. Looks like some signs done fell down over here. Grass done started rolling up like over there at Gresham. Sad sight to see. I can get around this beer joint real good. Hopefully it don't fall to the wayside. All right, had to spin around real quick, take a look at the old beer joint. So on the Tylers now. Seen the sign out front they put up for the racetrack closed down. Thought that was real fitting where we was coming from. See two old friends tonight. Now back on the road. As far as I know of, no more stops, headed to Tyler's. Watch this pretty sunrise. Sunset, Fred, I get it right. Going up, going down, one to the other. There's that pretty sunset.
Easily.
All right, we made it over here to the Harold Tire and Auto.
Hey, who that stand?
There's a beauty. There's your darling, Fred.
Yep. Put the motor back in it. I want to get a new piece of this and run it back through the car.
Yeah, we should do away with that.
Pull the whole exhaust off of it.
Yeah, we may have to. Ain't much left holding the clip on. He went and got his rear end today for the blue and black car. That way he can go to Orange County this weekend for the GXS Street Stock 50 lapper up there.
Doors and fenders all together.
Mm-hmm. Have to fix our exhaust there. Yeah, we'll just get the clip on. We can fix all the cosmetic stuff. Get it ready to go again, hopefully by Labor Day weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little crooked there, Fred.
Yeah.
Ray Charles see that. Ellen Keller see that. She blind and deaf.
That right there is just like you can just cut a piece and blend it in. They bolt in.
No, that
Because
one.
it shows the A-frame, and then it says required the number with the ball joint. Jimmy put these on.
Yeah.
They both bend.
So what I was talking about, the measurement between here,
Mm-hmm.
that's the difference.
What we
in
ordered.
Camaro,
We ordered
the shaft.
these, ordered new ones of these.
We stopped to get something to eat and we pulled into Zaxby's. It's a drive-through only Zaxby's, or a walk-up like it's the 1950s. First time I ever seen something like this. One of these beer joints. Right next door to their biggest competitor. Get a milkshake over here in 55 Chevrolet. Fred, South Carolina does Zaxby's a little different, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Can't go in or sit down and eat. You can walk up like it's the 50s. Easy now. Went over there to Lord's Chicken Shack. Went old school on them. Are you a teacher, substitute teacher now?
Can't get the.
You want a chalkboard?
Yeah.
Right. Drive through only. Well, you can go in there and take a leak. Other than that, you just walk up. Damnest thing I ever seen, Fred.
Yeah.
Walk up Zaxby. Drive through only.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Palmetto State, they do it different. I gotta call my mama and tell her. You
Yeah.
ain't never seen nothing like
Yeah.
this. You have to walk up,
Yeah.
slaw burger fry and a bottle of skeet from the 70s.
Yes, sir.
Running a little low on fries over here at Zaxby. Fred, what'd you get over there?
Fine.
Grilled chicken and about 8 potato fries.
Mm-hmm.
I hear you. I am definitely trusting the GPS, but Fred, I think it's done got us out here where they filmed the Jeepers Creepers at.
Mm-hmm.
We have found the saving grace, 85 South. We did not hear no banjo music. We are ready to get 85 on 85 back to the great city of Jefferson, Georgia. Well, we made it back home safe and sound. So time to go to bed. Get ready for work tomorrow. We're going to be back up at Tyler's, put the rear end in, the blue and black car, so he can go to Orange County this weekend, one night this week, and go ahead and get the clip took off and start getting the new clip ready to go on Bittersweet. So a lot of racing coming up, a lot of street stocking, trying to get Bittersweet, make Bittersweet 2.0. So hope you enjoyed this episode. Going to be trying to throw a lot more stuff at you. So y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.